Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. I am so excited. I finally received my Crafter's Companion vintage lace. Unfortunately, this package sold out on HSN several months ago, and I did recently place an order on Crafter's Companion site in the UK. Due to COVID, there were tremendous shipping delays, and this took almost 8 weeks for me to receive, but I finally received it and I'm so excited to start working with it. These are all the items that I received in my package, and I have the complete set. So I'm going to clear off my desktop and I'll show you each of these items one by one. The first thing I want to review is this beautiful 12 by 12 paper. This is 180 GSM, so it's a little thinner than the typical paper, and you get 16 different designs. This is so beautiful. This is single-sided. Set you receive the luxury linen card set, and you have these beautiful colors that match perfectly to the paper collection, and you also receive the pearlescent paper. You also receive the flower forming foam kit, and this includes 9 by 12 sheets. You get this beautiful minty green, you receive the dark purple and a light purple. And there are 9 pieces here, and along with that kit they give you the stamen in 4 colors. You've got the dark purple, the ivory gold, and then this light lavender color, and you receive 2 sets of flower dies. You have the petite posies, and this is called vintage roses. You also receive a number of stamps, dies, and embossing folders. So this first stamp set is called Heartfelt Sentiment, and some of the sentiments say, "Love puts joy in your heart with deepest sympathy. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there." You also get a set of rub-ons. These are 6 by 6 rub-ons. And some of the sentiments say, "Sending happy thoughts with love on your birthday, make a wish." There are 4 different sheets here. You also get these gorgeous dies. This is called the Chantilly lace border. This is 5 inches by 2. Isn't that beautiful? As you can see, it's very sizable. Now this includes 2 pieces. So you have the outer die and then the inner die. You have the kaleidoscope of butterfly dies, and there are 3 dies included. You have a large, medium, and small. You have the botanical dies, and you have 4 dies here. You have the vintage vines, also 4 pieces. These are really pretty. You receive the Baroque frames, and there are 5 metal dies in this set. The largest size is 3.4 by 5.1 inches. And this is what it looks like. These are so detailed and intricate. You also get the Baroque frames, and there are also 5 pieces here. And the largest frame is 4.2 by 6.2 inches. You get a cut and emboss folder, and then finally you receive this gorgeous Venetian lace embossing folder. This concludes my review of the Crafter's Companion Vintage Lace Collection. This is an absolutely beautiful collection, and it was certainly well worth the wait. Hopefully this video inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like it, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Please be sure to check back on my channel to see the fun projects that I've created with this collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now and happy crafting.